Binigyang pagkilala ni Pangulo Aquino ang pagsisikap ng Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines upang mapabuti ang aviation industry ng bansa. Ito'y matapos makamit ng bansa ang Category 1 mula sa United States Federal Aviation Administration at pagkakaalis ng Philippine Airlines at Cebu Pacific sa pagkaban sa European Union. Narito ang report. Kinilala ni Pangulo Aquino naging pagsisikap ng Civil Aviation Authority na itaas ang kalidad ng industriya sa international standards na tutulong para mapalakas sa ekonomiya ng bansa, pati na rin ang pagtiyak ng kaligtasan sa himpapawid. Sinabi ito sa kanyang pagdalo sa Thanksgiving celebration ng CAAP sa Pasay City.
In the past couple of years, CAAP has made exceptional and thus commendable progress towards achieving its mandate. For this reason, even if I was just here for your 5th anniversary last year, I have set aside the time to visit you once again so that I may personally extend my gratitude to all of you who have worked tirelessly to make the resurgence of our civil aviation sector possible. Again, sabi nga ni Pilita Corrales nung araw, a million thanks to you.
Tatlo kasing mahalagang bagay ang napagtagumpayan ng CAAP sa ilalim ng Aquino administration. Una na dito ang resolusyon sa International Civil Organization o ICAO na Significant Safety Concerns kung saan nag-comply ang Pilipinas sa international safety standards. Ang pag-aalis ng European Union ng pagban sa Philippine Airlines at Cebu Pacific na makalipad sa lugar dahil sa civil aviation safety concerns nitong 2013 at 2014. At ang paglalagay sa Category 1 ng United States Federal Aviation Administration nitong Abril ng kasalukuyang taon.
Positive effects of these developments are imminent. In fact, we are already feeling some of them now. In the past year, we have seen local carriers begin to expand their flights and their routes to and from Europe. I am confident that soon we will be welcoming even more tourists and investors who will find that truly it is more fun in the Philippines and that the Philippines works. Indeed, as Director General Hutchings said, a few moments ago, mission accomplished.
Kasunod nito, hinikayat ng Pangulo ang CAAP na ipagpatuloy ang pagpapabuti ng aviation industry ng Pilipinas.
On behalf of the Filipino people, I emphasize my thanks to all of you. Through your persistence, integrity, and commitment to public service, you have ensured that the story of CAAP continues on an upward trend. All of you are aware that your work does not end here. After all, the true meaning of your service is not defined simply by awards or safety distinctions. Your goal is to render to our bosses, the Filipino people, the best possible service, to make certain that they can go on board a plane with peace of mind, knowing that they are in good hands, and to make it even more convenient for people all around the world to fly here and discover the natural beauty and the rewarding opportunities our country has to offer.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.